Oh, nice little 2x2 right here.
And to stack up here.
Yeah. We're hiking up here. Kevin, my brother, and then Colin up here too as well. It's almost time to shoot already. I'm still not at my spot. Alright. So, not really good for me. But let's hope that I get lucky. While we're driving to here, we spotted a 2x2. I'll say about 60 yards away from us. Only bad thing is it's not time to shoot, so you know you gotta respect the law and just wait. Alright guys, I'm currently in my private now. Okay, I'm really late. I should hike about a mile and a half up here. Man, I got late. So you know, pray for the best for me. Right now it's 7:22. I've been sitting here for an hour already. No bugs yet. Nothing came across yet. As I waited here, one doe in the fawn crossed my path about 50 yards, but no buck. I'm just gonna keep waiting here to see what happens. And then I just heard a gunshot down there too, so whoever it is, get lucky. Hi, it's gonna be cold morning, but no bugs. Saw some doe, saw some small little bear. Man, it's windy, it's cold, but it did not rain. So disappointed. I was hoping that it would rain early in the morning. But you know, according to the forecast, it's supposed to rain around 2. Right now we're just taking a little break here. So tired, windy and cold. Just finished lunch, so we're just sitting here enjoying this awesome heat. But I don't want it to be cold. I want it to shiver. I want some rain. We're gonna sit here for a little bit until maybe 2 when we get the rain. And we'll go back to our usual spot. sprinkle a little bit only, not a whole lot, not enough to push any deer out. But Kevin insists on checking out this place. He likes it. Bao nhiêu thế à? Rong rồi ạ?
Rồi. Cái tổ tiện này biết tổ nó số. Tôi đo nó chỉ biết chỉ tổ nó số. Thì mà chúng ta chẳng lo mà chẳng lo số.
Chắc có sợ.
Mà chẳng nói chỉ tin nói chỉ tính khai thì nó tổ hết rồi.
Next time, cũng chỉ bảo giờ bố mình chờ lò nó. Giờ tới một cá lò, con chơi như một con tàu thì sẽ rõ kia xưa. Giờ tới một cá thì tomorrow thì tôi tính khai về nó thì rõ. Cái họ nó xưa mua cho to mà chỉ muốn tàu.
Cái gì lo lại thì khá
Cái nó lo hay giờ?
lo thế hả?
Cái sự cũ rồi.
Cú là lo lớn thế này.
So far của tôi chỉ tôi đấy như nó rồi. Rồi giờ của tôi thì nên vậy ha. 100 yard, 150 yard. I think that's the most I shot.
Rồi để cái nhớ là gì?
Man, I tell you what, hunting definitely take me to places I have not been to. This is some spot that I've never gone to before. I have no clue where I'm at, but I'm just following some GPS that I have. Look at that.